So, the first topic of this course is Introduction to Networking. And we're going to start from the beginning, gently assuming that you don't know anything. Now, here's the content of the Introduction to Networks. First, we'll have a brief look at what's a network. Then, we'll talk about physical network topologies. So, if you look up in a dictionary, you'll see the concept of networks as people or groups communicating with each other. Similarly, in the IT sector, the concept of the network appears as the whole formed by the connection established between computers, usually using a cable to communicate with each other and transfer data to each other. Local area networks are computer networks that connect devices in limited and close areas, such as workplaces, residences, offices, schools, campuses, that sort of thing. So in this way, computers, printers, various network devices can communicate with each other. So in the figure here, you can see that three computers are connected with the help of switches, and they exchange data. Even though you might not know what a network device called a switch is yet, don't worry. We will learn each network device in detail. For now, just know what the local area network does. Wide area networks are private communication networks that cover a wider geographical area, such as cities, countries, and include multiple local area networks. Now, as you can probably guess, the largest wide area network available is on the Internet. So in a wide area network, router devices are used to connect more than one local area network. With the help of routers, it's possible to connect all networks belonging to this wide area network with each other. You may be new to the names of network devices and may not know exactly what they do, but you will learn, and you will learn each of them. So we won't pursue the details at this moment, and we're going to talk about the differences of wide area networks from local area networks. So in the following sections, we will cover the wide area network in much more detail. Now, there are many devices between LAN and WAN, but the most well-known are the ones seen in the figure. While LAN is used in areas such as homes, schools, and offices, WAN can cover cities, countries, or even the whole world. It uses technologies such as Ethernet and Wi-Fi. LANs have higher transfer rates than WANs. LANs are both less costly and have lower maintenance costs than WANs. LANs can be created with simple network devices such as switches and hubs. WANs need devices such as routers and gateways. It's much easier to understand the problems in the network in LANs than in WANs. CAN. So it stands for Campus Area Network. A CAN is a network that spans an educational or corporate campus. University campuses and company buildings are some examples. So a campus area network is larger than a LAN as it can span multiple buildings in a given area. It usually consists of several LANs. They work similarly to LANs in that users with wired or wireless access to the network can communicate directly with other systems on the network. SAN, or SAN. Now, with the increase in internet usage all over the world, data usage and sharing have also increased. So for this reason, existing data storage solutions, both personally and institutionally, just weren't enough. Every year, we produce and share much more than in previous years. So it looks like it's going to continue like that for a long time. Data storage will always remain a necessity in our lives. SAN, or Storage Area Network Technology, was developed with the inadequacy of existing technologies in mind. So this term, which is used as storage area network in our language, is a type of network that provides a fast and secure connection between servers and storage units. For example, let's consider a standard LAN network. All users in this network use the network for all kinds of purposes. Since file servers are located on the same network as a general network traffic, it causes a decrease in efficiency. So when this connection is moved to a completely different network, it's not affected by daily usage, allowing us to get higher performance results.